Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain PS5 mic and audio not working. Go to settings icon and click on from top right, then go to sound, then select microphone, then select input device, check your microphone connected or not, then go to back and go to adjust microphone level for controller, headset, bar to middle, then go back and go to audio output tab. Toggle on the switch out device automatically options. Now go to settings menu, then unplug your microphone and plug it back. Now click on sound, then go to audio output, then set as all audio to output to headphones option. Then go to PlayStation menu, then click on PlayStation button from controller, then go to game base. Now press the options button from the controller. Then go to game based settings from top right, then select voice chat settings. Now customize the game chat audio. By following these steps, you can fix PS5 mic and audio problem.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.